Don't know what to do with myself. 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 Damn. That actually made me tired. But I don't know what to do with myself with water's definition. Ew.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey y'all, it's Nika.go, and we're jumping right into this video just how I like it. So today I'm going to be doing a wash and go. It has been so long since I've done a wash and go that I don't even know if I know how to do it anymore. I'm just going to be real. But we are going to be going for some maximum definition and shine. So I'm going to be using my Carefree Curl Activator, my Holy Grail Eco Styler Gel Olive Oil, and this is in theory this olive oil hair polisher. I think that is going to really lead me to some poppin' ass silky frizz-free curls. This is just in theory because I've never used this on my hair before, but I'm excited. Let's jump right in. So I'm just putting the Carefree Curls Activator in my hair, then section by section of course, and then taking smaller sections and adding the gel. So the reason this area, I think I've never explained to you guys, is so short is because I had an undercut from 2 years ago. So that's grown out from 2 years. So when I'm applying my gel, I started doing this new thing where I rub the strands together to really coat every strand of hair, because sometimes you can kind of run your fingers through even when you have the gel, and that'll coat a lot of the outside, but when you like pull your hair apart you still find dry areas in the inside. So like taking the hair from the bottom and like rubbing it together like I'm doing kind of really helps saturate every single strand. So now that I'm done with that section, I'm gonna go over it with the hair polisher. And it's really light. I like that. And I'm just like making sure I get every piece of that section. So this side is pretty much done with the hair polisher and everything. So here's how we're looking. It's already starting to dry, but it's looking okay. And so now I'm just gonna do the other side and I will be back. So since it's summertime, I really like to make sure there's no hair in my face. It's just way too hot for that, way too hot. So I'm just brushing the front of my hair and just tucking it under and holding it with bobby pins. Then I'm gonna get my trusty dusty, well it's not dusty, baby hair layer and let that sit, and I'll be back when my hair is completely dry. Now that my hair is pretty much dry, except for in the root in the back, which always happens, and I've been out and about to really test this wash and go out, and definition still popping, stayed popping, laid popping, popping. I think this stuff, can you see it? is my new holy grail. I think I'm gonna use it for all my wash and goes, because if it didn't really contribute to the definition, it definitely contributes to the reduction of frizz. Because the last time I did a wash and go, and then all my other manipulative styles like twist outs and braid outs, they haven't lasted because they get frizzy so quick. So I found the secret, y'all. I got it. And I just can't stop and looking in the mirror at this freaking definition. Like from the back, like my back would always get like puffy. Like from back to front. What's that? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And what are you waiting for? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to the channel. So until next time, stay poppin'.